Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am at Hibiya Park, which is in Tokyo. Yeah, so I just finished a photo shoot because I am an amateur model. Yes, I do a little modeling in Japan as well. So I need some professional pictures to send to the model agency that I'm signed to. Anyways, I just finished and I'm gonna head to Chiba, which is I think maybe an hour from where I am now, because I need to pick up Christmas cake that I ordered from a Jamaican that bakes in Japan. So yeah, but I'm gonna show you guys some scenery of the park just before I leave. Guys, I am in the middle of nowhere. Joking, I'm in Chiba and I'm gonna head home now. I just picked up the cake. And this is the train station that I am at in Chiba. It's gonna take me like 2 hours to get home. 2 freaking hours. But at least I got Jamaican Christmas cake, fruit cake to enjoy. My favorite store. Okay, so I am looking for a knife to cut the cake, and I can't find any. Some small cake. I want some small plates for the teacher. These are too big. Need some smaller ones. Okay. Maybe these will do. Okay, I'm not buying anything else, only these two, and that's it. The knife and the plate. I'm at my home station now, about to walk home, but it's just 5:30 p.m. and it's already dark. Okay, so I ordered this for the teachers at my school. This is for me, and I'm gonna be carrying these to my school tomorrow for the teachers. The presentation is very cute. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Goodbye.